Alright, so here we are. We're going to change out the radiator in this 2013 Chevy Tahoe. This should apply for 07 to 14 Tahoe, Yukon, Escalade. This is our new radiator from Advanced Auto Parts. We're going to be taking off. We replaced the original ones with worm clamps, so I'll need an 8mm, 13mm, and then got a nice pick. And we're going to take off the lower radiator hose first to drain the coolant out. Alright, see our worm clamp down there? Loosen it up. Should be good enough to get. Alright, now we're going to take off this upper. This is for the overflow. Next, loosen up that worm clamp. This goes to thermostat housing. Boom. Alright, next we'll go for these transmission lines. They just got some little plastic. Got that off. Next we got this Omega clip. Be very careful. Yes. Now we'll get to that bottom one right there. Alright, next we'll get to this bottom one down here. Got this pesky Omega clip. There we go. And you'll just gently pull these out. Oh, let me do the top one first. On these little brackets back here. There's one. Gotta pull it off that bracket down there. Alright, this is one of the clips I'm talking about. Pop it out of there. Now we're loose. Alright, now we're going to pop this. And go for this top hose. Yeah. Alright, now we're going to do these 13 mils. And got 2 over here. And we got our 2 fan connectors. There's one. There's 2. And we should be able to just pull this out. Alright, just gonna do our oil lines first. More Omega clips. There's one. There's 2. And we'll just do the same thing, just gently wiggle these out. You get a little bit of oil, but top that off later if you need to. There we go. Now we should be able to get this out. Alright, now should be able to just pull the radiator out. There we go. Alright, let's throw our new one in. Maybe. There we go. Lines up perfect. What I did was I took the old grommets off of the old radiator, popped those in there, then you'll put your 13s back in. Snug those up nice and tight. Now we're ready to put our fan in. Alright, let's do this nice and gently. Want to make sure get those in there snug. Alright, we're going to plug our fan connectors back in. Want to hear it click. Alright. Now we're going to button up our fan. Alright, we'll put our oil lines in. And pop our mega clips back on. There's one. Alright, now that we got the lower one in, pop this omega clip on. And you'll put your little plastic covers, they just pop back into place. And we'll do upper rad hose. Pop that clip back in there. Alright, just tighten this up. And nice and snug. Alright, we're going to pop in this lower trans line. Maybe. And put it in its clip. Do this upper. Alright, and these have omega clips already in them, so I'm just going to pop it in like that. Put it back in its home. I don't know why we're hitting this air box, but we are. We'll fix that in a minute. Alright. Alright. And get this thermostat housing line tightened up. Now it's kind of hard to see, but you know where it's at. Alright, now we're going to get this overflow line on. Alright, little radiator hose. I'd help if I was on it. This is fun. Much better than those factory clamps. Oh yeah, that should be plenty tight. Alright, new radiator is installed. And it's time to fill her up with some coolant. Spill. Oh, nice.